In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on grid lines in Canva. Grid lines are an amazing way to align and organize your design elements so everything looks neat and professional. Let's jump in. First, open your Canva project. Once it's open, look at the top left corner and click on File. This menu contains useful settings for customizing your workspace. Next, hover over Settings. Don't click yet, just hover, and a new menu will appear with the more customization options. From that submenu, click on Add Guides. This is where Canva lets you enable grid lines and guides for your design. Now you'll see several grid options. Canva gives you choices like 12 columns, 3 columns, or a simple 3x3 grid. Each one helps you align your design differently, so pick the one that fits your project best. Once you've chosen, just click Add Guides again and the grid lines will appear on your canvas. From here, you can align text, images, and elements with precision. Remember, these grid lines are just for guidance. They won't appear in your final download or published project. They're only there to help during the design process. And that's it. You now know how to turn on grid lines in Canva. This simple feature makes it so much easier to keep your layouts balanced and professional. Play around with different grids to see what works best for your designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.